Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make transparent header in Wix Studio. So as you can see right here, this is our website and the header is not transparent. So I'm going to show you ways and what are the factors that we have to consider in order for us to make our header transparent. Okay, so we have a color dark blue and then a color dark gray for our header. And as you can see right here, this page is our project page, and we already made the header for this one transparent. So that's what we are going to do as well to the rest of our headers. Okay, so let's go back to our homepage. And before anything else, make sure that you have logged in to your Wix Studio. So just go back to wix.com and then you just have to select your right account. Okay, so let's go back to Wix Studio for now. And right here, you'd be able to see all of your website. Then after that, you will then just have to select the website that you want to make the header transparent. Okay, so once you have selected a website, you will then just have to click on the edit website and you'd be directed to another page where you can now start customizing your website. Okay, so let me just use this page once again. So now let us start by changing the color of our text header. So as you can see right here, we have white color for our text. Okay, so here we have to consider that the color of our main background is white. So if we are to make our header transparent or remove the color of our header, it will make the text only visible if we are going to change the color into a darker one. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to change the color of our text first. So just click on the text. Okay, so let's start with this one, and then as you can see right here at the right side, we have here the color option. So for example, we are going to use this color since we have a white background for our main background, so we are going to change a darker color for this one. Okay, so once you're done, you can now proceed to the vector art or to the rest of the text in your header. And for the vector art, if you don't want to change the color and you wanted to, use your own branding or you have a specific color for your brand, so you have to consider the color of your background. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so let me just go back right here and then just have to simply click on it and go back to the right side and then go to the color section. Okay, so here's the color and I'm going to use this color for this one. Okay, so this button as well, and I am going to use a darker color for this one. Okay, so I think this one would do. And then after that, if you wanted it to change the color of your menu as well, you just have to simply click on it and then just have to go to the color section. Okay, so let me just go back to my logo and let me just change the color once again. Okay, so just go to the right side and you'll be able to see here the background color. Okay, so just simply click on it and then here you have your color picker, so you just have to simply click on it and then you just have to select your color. So I think I'm going to use this one as well, so you just have to close it after that. And now let us change the color of the header background to make our header transparent. Okay, so considering that our main background is white, so we are going to change the color of our header into white. Okay, so just simply click on your header. So we are going to start with this one and then go to the right side of our screen. And then here you can see the background, so just click on it and then click on white. That's right. And now let's proceed to the next one. Just click on it once again and go to the background section, and then you just have to select white. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the color of our background. So now let us try to preview this one, but of course I'm also going to show you why it is very important to consider the color of your main background before you change the color of your header. Okay, so before that, let me just preview this one. And as you can see right here for our homepage, we already have our transparent header. Okay, so let's try to visit other pages as well. So let's go to the about page. Okay, so right here we don't need to actually change the color of the background since the header for this one is already transparent. So let's go back to our home page and try to use another color. So let's go back to edit side option. Okay, now let's try to change the color of our main background. Okay, so see for example, this is our main background, right? So we are going to use a darker color. So let's proceed it to the custom color first and then click on apply after that. Okay, so here we have this color. So of course, what we are going to do at the top is we have to change the color of the header as well. But of course, we have to consider the color of our elements as well. Okay, so as you can see right here, the color of our elements are almost the same with our main background. Okay, so let's try to change the color. As you can see, the text or the elements are almost not visible. So what we are going to do now is to change the color of the text that is more visible to our eyes. Okay, so let's say white color would do, I think. So let's try to change this to color white. Okay, that's right. So just go back right here and then look for the color picker. Okay, so let's change this to white and then let's do that to the rest of the elements. Okay, so this one as well. Okay, and of course, if you would like to add a background for some of the elements, of course, you can do that. So just go here and then select the color of your background, and it will help you to make your element at your header visible. Now we can also add here a header design. So you just simply clicked on the plus icon or the add elements option at the top left of your screen and then go to the sections. And as you can see right here at the bottom, we have the headers. So just simply click on it and you'd be able to see here the different design or layout that you can use for your header. So a transparent header design in Wix Studio, it will offers a modern and visually appealing way to enhance your website aesthetic and functionality. So by allowing background images or videos to seamlessly extend beneath the header, it creates a sleek, immersive experience and capture the visitor's attention immediately. And of course, this design choice is particularly effective for showcasing high quality visuals, branding elements, or hero sections, making your site feel more dynamic and professional. And of course, a transparent header can improve navigation by keeping the key menu items visible without disrupting the overall design flow, ensuring a cohesive and engaging user experience. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.